Let's jump into the points. Number one, bring your extrovert friend. First of all, in your early social days, you need an extrovert friend, because if you go alone, you will feel more awkward, and you will damage your self respect. You need an extrovert friend. For example, if you are going for Garba night, bring your extrovert friend, or be with your group. Okay, so what will happen that you will not in the awkward energy. Point number two, get socially looped up. Talk with your other friends in the party or in the Garba night. Talk with other people. Talk with your male friends. What will happen that you will get socially looped up. You will in the social flow. Like you will not get awkward, bro. For let me tell you story. I was in the Garba night. I was with my extrovert friend. We are doing silly things. We didn't know Garba too much. We dancing normally, doing awkward step. We got socially looped up. There was a class, a big group was forming. We joined in the big group. We are dancing. We awkwardly dancing like a monkey, bro. This was the adventurous shit we are doing in that day. We enjoyed too much, yaar. Talk with your male friends before girls. You will socially loo- properly looped up, and start dancing with your guys. So what will happen that if you are dancing with your guys, you will feel the awesome, enjoy really well without girls, without thinking about girls. You will really enjoy the moment, and you are creating your dead lore. Step 4, start approaching people. Find a group of girls, then approach the person you like who is looking approachable to you. For example, my extrovert friend did, like he approached the most ugly person. Either he approached the most ugly person, or he has some intuition that you need to approach this person. You need to social enough socially calibrated that you need to find the person in the group who you can approach that person, and tell them. Either you can ask, can I dance with you, or you can say that, come with us, dance with us, something like that. So what will happen that you can dance with them, or you can bring them into your group. You will you will feel big dick energy by. You will feel chad. You will look by chad, yaar. You will get appreciation from guys. What will happen that I approached the girls, my extrovert friend approached the girls. What happened that the other guys around us automatically come to us. The most जो भाव भी नहीं देते थे ना, that guy also approached us. They also start dancing with us. We feel the chad, the two chad guys. And number 5, after you guys approach them, lead the dance step, lead the group. So what happened that I जैसे अगर कुछ अगर रुक जाते हैं, if they feeling tired, they don't know how what to do, what steps to do. what I do, what I do that I started doing own steps, introducing my own steps. Then all the other girls and guys started doing that steps. You will feel like the chat guy. You will lead. You will be the leader of the group. You will be leading this group. During this, avoid this danger. First of all, जो आदमी दारू पी के आए, don't bring the drunk person in the party. Don't bring in the party, don't be around them. भाई अगर दारू वाली पार्टी है तो ठीक है, बट अगर उसमें अगर दारू इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो रही है अगर पार्टी में, देन डोंट भाई, डोंट ब्रिंग दैट पर्सन, डोंट बी विद दैट पर्सन, because you will ruin your image. You will make them uncomfortable. Don't make girls uncomfortable. Don't come too close with them early on. And asking Instagram immediately after doing 1 2 step, immediately ask Instagram, or talking with them during the dance step. It is really a dumbass move. And don't talk too much, just dance, yaar. dance with them. If they don't like, don't want to talk to you or don't give you Instagram, okay, it's okay. At least you dance with them. Make 1 2 video and show off in these stories. Just do it, but don't talk too much. Okay. After the dance, now you can introduce them after dancing like 10 to 20 minutes. Now introduce with them, talk to them, ask Instagram, exchange numbers. If you implement it very well, like they will start asking Instagram to you. So what? So let me tell the story. In that Karma night, we like dance really well with that girl. Like we matched the vibe very well, so well that she asked our Instagram after like exchanging Instagram. If you talk with taking group pictures, in the next day, if you find them, take them into the lunch or like talk with them and tell them that lunch mein milo. Now you make the group of the friends. This is the steps. This is the full ride to make friends the party and be the Chad in the group. So like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video and do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Bye. भाई साहब वो गरबा नाइट में तो मज़े आ गए थे। मैं और मेरा एक्सट्रोवर्ट फ्रेंड ने भाई मज़े कर दिए थे। बाय।